पहली बार थोड़ी ना हाईवे में गाड़ी लेके आ रहे हैं हम लोग, क्या है।
आप लोग को जब टेक्नोलॉजी पता नहीं क्यों बहस कर।
Namaste and welcome back to the next episode of our road trip from Bangalore for the U2 concert in Mumbai. So right now we are at a hotel somewhere around Satara. Maybe it was the psychedelic pink colored rooms or extremely affable manager. But actually, to be honest, it was mainly the word bar on their signage which made us rein in our horses for the night.
Fuel stop.
Now we proceed towards Pune, where we plan to do a quick stop and catch up with a friend over breakfast.
Banewadi na Balewadi? So it's 10:41 in the morning and we are entering Pune. The plan is to catch up with a friend. We'll have breakfast together with him and then proceed to Mumbai. So eventually we didn't make it to Mumbai in one day. We have a lot of time with us, so no point in hurry. And the fun is also in the journey, not in the destination.
Koro sir, ICICI ATM, Starbucks.
Okay, we are done with our socializing in Pune and we continue on our journey towards Mumbai again. And very soon we are cruising on the Mumbai-Pune Expressway.
This is a tick on one of Gautam's bucket list, driving on the Mumbai-Pune Expressway. Huh? So that's done. Tick.
So, guess where we are now?
In a cab traveling to Vilepale to collect the hard copies of our tickets. We reached our place of stay at Koperkhane at around 3:30 p.m. and we just parked our car and straight away jumped into a cab. In fact, we didn't even go up to our rooms to dump our luggage.
Gautam taking in the sights and sounds of Mumbai. So finally we have our tickets.
Guess where we are in Mumbai? Videos on. What is this?
Gud ki jabeli
Gud ki jalebi
and
rabri.
rabri. Awesome taste.
It was late afternoon and we were quite hungry by now and ended up at this place next to the car station, Punjab the Chula, where their special dishes were kulchas, jalebis and rabris.
They don't make chai here, but they've got it from the neighboring chai wala. This is terrific. When you're in Mumbai, come and check this place out.
Very soon after, we were on our way back from Bandra towards a guest house in Koperkhane. A few quick nightcaps and we were ready to call it a night. In the city that never sleeps, Mumbai.
Hi, good morning. So I'll just show you where the swimming pool is. And this is the view from the room. So Gautam is sitting right there somewhere. Let's go and have a look at what he's up to. Lounging.
So as we lazed around the pool and waited for our friends Avijit and Nandini to arrive, who were also flying down from Bangalore for the concert. Quick drinks at a pub and we were ready to rock and roll.
Good morning. Start of the journey.
16th of December 2019 and today we are on our way back home to Bangalore. We started at around 7:30 am in the morning and we were soon cruising towards Pune. A quick 30-minute stop for breakfast after the Bhattan Tunnel on the Mumbai-Pune Expressway and we are off again.
Manual gun.
I'm sure they're trying to collect cash. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We have covered almost around 400 kilometers and made it till Kolhapur. Lunch at Kamat's restaurant. Same problem everywhere. It seems there's some problem with the FASTag. It says blacklist. But money is there in the account. Still keep saying blacklist. It's happening in Maharashtra. The last 2-3 top.
मैं क्या करूँ यार, आप लोगों ने बोला खरीदो 1 तारीख से पहले, हमने खरीद लिया.
हैंड्स के ना नहीं है क्या? What is it? Is it a scam or what? क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोगों को? कैश चाहिए?
और आपका मिनिमम बैलेंस 150 होना चाहिए.
ये
1000 रुपए. अरे बाबा, ये पहली बार थोड़ी ना हाईवे में गाड़ी लेके आ रहे हैं हम लोग. क्या है?
इतना तो 1000.
आप लोग को जब टेक्नोलॉजी पता नहीं क्यों बहस कर. अरे मेरे को 20-25 रुपए का फर्क नहीं पड़ता. ये हैरेसमेंट है यार.
It's only happening to non-Maharashtra cars.
Okay, we'll see what happens in the next toll once we enter Karnataka. It could be some software problem, network issue with Paytm, or it could be a racket.
Depends on toll gate to toll gate.
Yeah, in most toll gates it's happening in Maharashtra. This is the second Vidhan Soda in Karnataka. Right now we are passing Belgaum and that's where it is.
So we are in Karnataka now.
Yeah. So FASTag is not working here in Karnataka as well. It's a Paytm FASTag. It keeps saying invalid tag. There's some kind of a complaint booth here trying to register a complaint. So apparently you can't even register a complaint here. It says complaint booth. There's a big banner which says it. But what did they say?
This note you have to go to the FASTag office.
So it's 4:12 PM right now and we still have 503 kilometers to go to Bangalore. ETA says 12:47 AM. As of now we're having fun. So basically what has happened is we have lost our headlamps. So we are driving with the DRLs right now. We're driving safely, we're basically following cars so that we can use their lights. So maybe you can't see much through the camera, but we can see something with the DRLs. This is the halat of us. These are the kind of situations which teach you a few lessons. So what's important to always have in your car is something like this, a torch. So I'm just being safe. I'm not trying to blind the driver whenever we are overtaking. If you can see us, this is the kind of light we're dealing with. This is covered so that it doesn't blind us. So even under the current situations, we are still maintaining our ETA. The concert was an awesome experience. And now the drive back home as well. We are approaching Tumkur now. 6 more minutes to Gautam's house. We have finally made it 2.1 kilometers to his house. Another 30 kilometers to mine. My car is parked here at his parking. So here I am home finally. I've made it to home. 980 kilometers, Mumbai to Bangalore. 2 drivers and 1 Chevrolet Cruze. We made it in 1 day. We started at 7:30 in the morning and now it's 12:29. So I'll end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate your comments and likes and shares. Until the next one then. Bye bye.